Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at this gorgeous, brand new 2020 Sea Ray 230 SLX. This boat, again, is gorgeous on the exterior. It's got a nice accent stripe. This one does have a fold-down swim platform, so you can sit in the water and enjoy a beverage or two. It's got a nice big sun pad in the back here with a bench. Nice American flag. Coming inside this boat, got a nice co-captain chair there that can swing forward and backwards so you can sit facing whichever direction. Nice wraparound seating. Little door for a cooler under there. Got in-floor storage. Nice big bow, very comfortable cushions. Fusion speakers. A Fusion head unit. This boat's equipped with 2 Simrads, very nice touch screens, interior lighting package, and all. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out to Rogers, check this boat out, and as always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.